Can't you see I'm flying rockets?
I'll see how you fly rocket now.
By grabbing the book, are you gonna fly rockets?
If you take my books without my permission, I'll teach you a lesson.
Oh, shit!
Yuhas, did you take my doll?
No, I didn't.
Then where is my doll?
How do I know?
Oh, my doll. Yuhas! This is my favorite doll. Yuhas, are you the one who put my doll into the pond?
No. Oh dear, my car. Enara! 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 Enara!
Why you call me, huh?
Oh, Enara, I was just kidding you.
So,
Child, what are you doing? Stop that, please. Stop, stop. Come here, please. Listen, children. Before doing anything, you have to think twice. Okay? Because no matter whether it is a joke, if it hurts somebody, you should avoid doing that. The reason is hatred never ends with hatred. Did you understand that?
yes.
Okay. Now say sorry.
I'm very sorry, Enara.
I also made a mistake. Extremely sorry.
Be a good child. Very good.